Sugar Cookies. I'm Cookie, your lifestyle. And you're watching I Can Do That with Cookie. You'll find recipe and meal prep, exotic, global foods, home staging and styling, weight loss journeys, organization, home improvements and DIYs, and reviews on makeup and everything, and so much more. Stay tuned because I upload weekly. Grab a notepad and let's get to making this Portuguese Mozambique seafood recipe.
Delicious!
Look at the beautiful array of colors. I have some Thai chili peppers here because I couldn't find the original Portuguese peri peppers, cilantro, lots of garlics. And I'm going to blitz all of that in that little food processor back there. Aren't these beautiful? All right, so let's get to making this. I'm gonna twist off the tops off of these peppers, handle them with care, and I'm just gonna dump it just in there with pepper, with seeds and everything into the food processor, okay? These Pond's paprika flakes are amazing. They are essential to this sauce. They do not have a chemical flavor to it. It's all natural. They're worth every single cent.
Delicious!
Some white chopped onions here, and I'm not going to add the whole thing to the sauce because I'm going to reserve some of that for the actual cooking process. And you're going to do this all to taste. It's going to be
amazing!
This stuff right here is fire. It is absolutely amazing. This is not sponsored. This is just what I had on hand. I believe I purchased this at Walmart, and it is a roasted red pepper spread, and it has the components to make this particular sauce, and I'm going to use that in the background to add not only flavor but color, depth of flavor. Guys, I promise you, make this sauce and you're going to let me know how it comes out, because I promise you it's going to be what?
Delicious!
Okay, so after your initial first blitz, you're gonna see that it's kind of rough and chunky. If you like it this way, that's the texture that you care for, then fine. If not, I'm gonna taste it first to see if it needs any adjusting in seasonings, and then I'm going to blitz it again because I want a smoother type of consistency. And then I'm going to add a little bit more. You're gonna see later I'm adding a little more of the smoked paprika flakes. Oh my gosh, delicious. Once I did that and I tasted it again, it was perfect, I tell ya, perfect.
My hand's oily, guys. Don't wash me.
If you love crab, seafood, shellfish, don't want to have any type of meat for the holidays, like in Italy, this can be part of the Siete Pesci de Mare for Buon Natale. In Puerto Rico and Spain, we also like to use seafood for the holiday dishes. Again, try this recipe with crabs. Oh my goodness, it is going to be delicious. And you can also make this for a special occasion. It's very impressive. It looks like you went through a lot of trouble, but not really, as you can see here.
Gonna let this cook down for a little bit, and then I'm gonna add garlic to the party.
Do you hear that happiness that's going on in here? My addition to this Portuguese Mozambique shrimp
I get it right.
and the roasted garlic base is delicious. A little goes a long way. Keep in mind this is salty. It looks creamy like that on the inside. I'm not looking to caramelize these onions. I'm just looking to get the rawness off of it and and poach them a little bit.
I'm adding all of these garlic cloves to the party, just like that.
Now keep in mind that the peri-peri sauce that I made previously has lots of garlic in it and very spicy.
Like me.
Oh my goodness. We're gonna let this cook down for a little bit. We're gonna let the garlics get acquainted with her cousins, the onions, let them all dance at the party. And I'll get back when it's ready for the peri-peri sauce. I already have the scrimpies here.
And guess who else is coming to the party? The Jonah sisters are coming.
The Jonah claws. I'm so excited. This is gonna be delicious. And we're gonna add a little boozy booze to this.
That's right.
Portuguese shrimp Mozambique, whatever. This is almost like a sofrito. This smells so good. Woo. Take a little step back because Thai peppers will hot, and the fumes.
The fumes will get to you.
Butters, just like that. And a little more. Just like that. Ooh, yes. Let me lower this just a little bit. Oh my gosh. You're just gonna cook this sauce for about maybe 10 minutes just to give everything an even chance to get that raw flavor off of there. I'm gonna taste this to see if it can stand a little more heat. You can add wine, you can add beer. I prefer beer in this particular instant, but I'm going to saute my shrimp first in this beautifulness. I've already seasoned these shrimps right here with my own Sazon seasoning. Woo, I wish you guys could smell this. Wow. Guys, thank you so much for all your support. Thank you for requesting recipes. Keep those requests coming. Oh my goodness, because I enjoy this. I love entertaining and I love to eat good food, and I like
Producing good food and parties.
Okay, we're gonna give that a chance to cook for a little bit, about maybe, I wanna say 5 or 6 minutes.
And then I'm gonna add some beer to this deliciousness right here. Yes.
Now it's time to add these babies to the party. I've already rinsed these and given them a really good scrub. You need to do that with your crustaceans, people. This is going to be delicious, delicious, but we haven't added the booze yet, Wow, this is impressive. And we're going to serve it right in this same skillet. Almost like a cataplana style, except I don't have the other clam part to cover it, which is a beautiful clam dish that a lot of seafood in Portugal is cooked in. Now that I've tossed everything beautifully,
I'm gonna hit it with the booze. I'm gonna hit it with the booze.
I'm gonna let this cook down for another 10 minutes to get the alcohol burned off of here and just keep the flavor, baby. Oh my gosh, did you see this? Woo! I'm gonna hit it with a little more lime. I'm gonna take some fire roasted bell peppers and I'm gonna add this as well. Just because they're curtis and they have great flavor. Oh my gosh, yes. Very vibrant dish. Oh, look at that. That's beautiful. I'm serving this over some rice. If you like this video, give me a thumbs up, subscribe, comment below, let me know what you thought of this recipe. Post your notifications to all, and I'll see you in the next smile. Your soul will thank you for it. Toodaloo.
Look at that beauty. Look at that beauty. What are you doing?
My addition to this Mozambique, I can tell. My addition to this Portuguese Mozambique.
Hello?
Agent 777. 11 here. Mission accomplished.